Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the apps and notifications. Let's tap on it. Now let's go to Special App Access, and here we have to localize this option, Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher in it. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something, but be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You can also of course, remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.